This 2013 Tiffin Allegro Red 33A quad slide, rear east-west king bedroom is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 35 feet 3 inches in length and features an autumn decor interior, sleeps 4, skylight, refrigerator, TV, self-contained, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2013 Tiffin Allegro Red 33A quad slide, rear east-west king bedroom is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.